Have you seen people entering into luxury cars like celebrities on TikTok lately? If you are active on TikTok nowadays, you will see a video of these ones. Popping up on your FYP on TikTok. And you might be wondering if this video is actually real or not. Well, it's not real, it's AI generated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the viral AI car entry effect that's blowing up on TikTok, with just a photo and a prompt. No fancy cars needed, just your phone and a little creativity. So make sure to watch this tutorial from beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Let's turn your casual walk into a luxury car entry. The first thing to do is to go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and search for this website called Hailuo AI and click on it to access the website. Then register for an account on this website. Once done with the account registration, click here to select a photo from your device gallery. After selecting, click on Done and wait for it to finish uploading. After it has been uploaded, click here to write or paste your prompt. And if you don't have any prompt in mind, you can get the prompt which I used in the description of this video. Once done with your prompt, click on Create Video. Now wait for some few seconds for your video to finish creating. Click on this Mine option to see if your video has finished creating. When it's done creating, click on this download icon. Then click on this to download the video to your device gallery. Now you can add sound effect to the video in any favorite video editing app like CapCut. Now, you have your AI car entry video. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the Highly Practicals for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.